Here we'll find the inverse for this function, f of x is equal to negative 2x minus 7. Well, follow the steps, right? The first step is we are going to write f of x as y, and then we put this down. And then the next thing is that we'll try to solve for x right here, and that will be the answer. So to make that happen, we will have to first add a 7 on both sides. So this and that will cancel. And let me actually put this down first, negative 2x. And then I'll put down equal. And then we will have the y plus 7 like this, right? And after this, because here we have negative 2 times x, so we can just divide both sides by negative 2, like so. You see, this and that will cancel, and we just get x, and that's equal to, and based on the answer choices, they write it down like this, so I'm not going to do anything crazy. Well, one thing is that they put a negative in the front, so we'll do that. So this right here is y plus 7 over 2, with the negative right in front of the fraction. Okay? Well, the final step is that we can write the x as g of y, and that's precisely the inverse for this. So g of y equals negative y plus 7 over 2. And guess what? Yes, that's the answer.